Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of February 12th to February 16th of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's JP Morgan, the largest financial institution in the world, making new all-time record highs. Now looking at the rest of the market, starting out with the Forex symbols, the major pairs pretty much week to week unchanged, while we saw the euro dipping lower and making a rebound, the Japanese yen trading lower versus the dollar, and lastly, the Turkish lira making new record lows versus the dollar once again. Now, when we looked at the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ did have a sellout but rebounded, while the Dow Jones hitting back to its resistance and all-time record high levels. Now, looking at commodities, gold did have a sell-off and also did have a rebound towards the end of the week and pretty much settled just above 2K. And as we saw onto oil, holding on to its gains and sticking to its resistance-ish level. Now, looking at the stocks, it was mixed almost in every sector, while we saw NVIDIA hitting new all-time record highs and then selling off, while we saw also Meta, formerly known as Facebook, hitting new all-time record highs. The rest of the big tech was pretty much unchanged for most of the week. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin hitting 52K and holding on. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we start out the week on Tuesday, February 20th. First out of Australia, we have a monetary policy meeting minutes coming out, and out of Canada, CPI, core price index number coming out. Now on Wednesday, February 21st, first out of the United States, we have an FOMC meeting minutes. That's a meeting minutes decision after the last interest rate decision, and also corporate earnings from one of the fastest semiconductors out there. NVIDIA is coming out with its corporate earning reports this Wednesday. Now looking on Thursday, February 21st, out of France, out of Germany, Great Britain, and the United States, we have a bunch of manufacturing and services PMI numbers coming out, and also an Empire State Manufacturing Index coming out of the United States. So lots of things coming up this week. See you here next week on the Week in Review. Have a good weekend, everybody.